Most people think the most dangerous jobs are obvious: firefighters, soldiers, deep-sea divers. But here's the thing. One of the deadliest jobs in the world is something you've probably seen 100 times and never thought twice about. Imagine climbing hundreds of meters into the air with nothing but steel beneath your feet and wind trying to throw you off. No walls, no safety net, just open sky. And one mistake, that's it. This is the world of high-rise window cleaners. At first glance, it looks simple, just cleaning glass, right? But what you don't see is what makes it so dangerous. These workers hang from ropes or stand on narrow platforms suspended from the top of skyscrapers. Sometimes they're hundreds of meters above the ground. The higher they go, the more unpredictable everything becomes. Wind doesn't just blow up there, it hits hard. A sudden gust can swing the platform like a pendulum. 1 second you're steady, the next you're slammed against glass or pulled away from the building entirely. And then there's the equipment. Every rope, every harness, every hook has to be perfect, because if one thing fails, there's no second chance. Even something small like a loose bolt or worn-out cable can turn into a life-or-death situation. Now think about this. They do this every single day. In heat, in cold, sometimes in rain, because cities don't stop. Buildings need to stay clean, and someone has to do it. But here's what makes it even more intense. There's no room for distraction. You can't check your phone. You can't lose focus for even a second. Your entire survival depends on staying locked in. Every movement, every step. And mentally, it's just as demanding as it is physical. You're constantly aware of the height, the risk, the what if. And yet, they still go up. Not for thrill, not for attention, but because it's their job. And most people walking past those buildings never even look up. So next time you see a skyscraper shining in the sun, just remember, someone risked their life to make it look that way, and you probably never noticed. That's the reality of the most dangerous job nobody talks about. If this makes you see everyday things differently, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.